Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop Steam from updating a game. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So to stop Steam from updating a game, follow these general steps. So the first method is temporarily preventing game updates. To do this, launch the Steam application on your PC. Click on the Library tab to see your list of games. Right-click on the game you want to stop from updating. Then select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, click on the Updates tab. Under Automatic Updates, choose Only update this game when I launch it from the drop-down menu. This setting ensures that the game will only check for updates when you launch it. So the best approach to control game updates on Steam is to set the game to update only when you launch it. More extreme measures like making the game files read-only or using Steam's offline mode can be used in specific cases but may lead to other issues. Always consider the potential consequences of these actions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.